subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Welcome to Study Academy channel. In this video we are going to see the appreciation of the poem 1.1 A Time to Believe. First of all, we will look the points which we are going to cover in the appreciation, and then we will see the appreciation of the poem. So these are the points which we are going to cover in the appreciation. First, title. Second, poet. Third, rhyme scheme. Fourth, figures of speech. Fifth, central idea or theme. Now we will look the appreciation. The title of the poem is A Time to Believe, and this beautiful poem is written by the poet B.J. Morbitzer. This poem is written in free verse, so this poem has no rhyme scheme. The figures of speech used in this poem are personification, epigram, repetition, and metaphor. The main theme of the poem is to have faith and believe in ourselves. It is an inspirational and motivational poem which tells us to always be positive and that we can achieve all our hopes and dreams with faith and self-belief.